Fellow Biafrans, good afternoon from Biafra Republic Government in Ezra headquarters here in United States of America. To my fellow citizens, especially the Anambras, the Anambra people, what is happening in Onitsha today is by the action of a man called Soludo, illegitimate governor, parading himself as the governor of the people, who is ruling against the will of the people. Soludo locked the Biafrans' business, their shop up, unprovoked. He don't have the right to do that. My fellow citizens, while you are protesting, protest peacefully, be your neighbor's keeper, watch your neighbor, protest for your freedom. From United States of America and around the world, we are watching. Don't leave the street without achieving your objective. Don't leave the street without letting your voice heard. Don't leave the street without getting your freedom back. The time is now. We need to be free from this terrorist government of Nigeria. They have killed us enough. Enough is enough. We are watching. And for the Nigerian terrorist state that always use their military to kill unarmed protesters, we are watching. Soludo and the Nigerian terrorist military, they will be held accountable. My fellow citizens of Onitsha, you are not alone. The Biafra Republic government in Ezra and the de facto government, we are with you. We share your pain. We know what you're going through. And this freedom we must get. So do not have the right to take your freedom from you. So do not have the right to lock up your shop, to lock up your businesses. That is called economic jihad, because he meant no good for us, because he don't love the Biafran people, because he's not governing according to the will of Biafran people. I, Ogechukwu Nkere, Biafra Republic government in Ezra Prime Minister and the entire cabinet will do everything humanly possible to bring these evil people to book. They will be held accountable. My fellow citizen, don't leave the street until you achieve your goal. What is the goal? The goal is for us to be free. We desire to be free. We desire to open our businesses. We desire to govern ourselves the way we want. We desire to be free from the Islamic jihadist terrorist government of Nigeria. We are Biafrans. We are not Nigeria. Don't leave the street of Biafra until we chase out all the illegitimate ruler of Nigeria that are oppressing our people, killing our people. And for you, Soludo, and the Nigerian terrorist state, the world is watching. We are watching. The satellite is in the Anambras now. The satellite is right in Onitsha. We are following the events of what is going on. Fellow citizens of Biafra, the time is now that you get your freedom back. The time is now that we evict the illegitimate rulers in our land so we can get our country back. We must be free. Freedom is not free. Freedom is not free. Your freedom will not be given to you in a platter of gold. You fight for your freedom. This great country called United States of America, of which I'm proud of as well as a citizen, they fought for their freedom. They hit the streets just the same way you hit the street. American people hit the streets and they demand for their freedom. They demand to be free. My people of Biafra, we hear you. We are with you. You are not alone. This fight, we are all in it together. We must fight. We must get our freedom. Nobody born of a woman can stop us from being free. We are free people. We are not slaves. We can't be slaves to Soludo and his paymaster, the Nigerian terrorist state. Our freedom is in our hand. The time is now. The killing of the Biafran Christian must stop. Soludo and his cohorts will be held accountable. They have killed us enough. Enough is enough. My fellow citizens, don't leave the street until our objective, our goal, our demand is met. We must be free. God bless Biafra Republic. God bless United States of America.